Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, very exciting. Kind of a fun little
Yeah, because, you know, margaritas
Mexican food.
and Mexican food and
Yeah.
margaritas.
Yeah.
Margaritas.
It's just fun excuse. And so when we were trying, we thought it'd be fun to bring you all some Mexican themed recipes that are healthy and delicious, and you can just make any time because we love Mexican, most people do, or you can have it at your Cinco de Mayo gathering.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
found this recipe for a Mexican stuffed sweet potato, and I think we're not using it, but we're doing our own version.
Yes.
Right?
We've kind of
There were things we
adapted.
liked about it and things we didn't. So we are going to make our own version of a Mexican stuffed sweet potato.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
So we've got about 2 cups of just a rotisserie chicken that we just pulled off the bone and diced up.
Okay.
And then we are going to add some kind of like a Rotel, just your diced, tomatoes and green chilies. All right. And then we're going to add just a little bit of our chili powder and cumin to give it a little.
So most recipes call for a taco seasoning, and we really don't like using the little envelopes of taco seasoning. We just make our own. It's super easy.
It's better for you. A lot of those taco seasonings, they have gluten and dairy in them because they use them just to, like, for, I guess, fillers and stability. But honestly, they aren't very good and for you. And so you can have really the same flavor. You can make your own taco seasoning. I mean, there's lots of recipes on the internet just to make your own taco seasoning with just different seasonings. But really, cumin and chili powder, a little salt and pepper, I think, are great for Mexican.
Yeah.
Okay.
Michael, I think you need a little more cumin.
A little more cumin?
Yeah, it wasn't coming out.
Okay.
You were shaking, but
And it
nothing
wasn't?
nothing was coming out.
Okay, there we go. All right.
There
I
we
see
go.
it now. There we go. Now we're going to taste that. All right. And we've just prepared our sweet potatoes already. And you can do that in the oven or the microwave or however you like to cook your sweet potatoes. We just did it in the microwave for about 3 minutes on each side on high. And they're nice and soft.
So I know you don't eat a lot of potatoes.
I don't.
Okay. You love sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, and that's why we're doing this. But I mean, you don't have to have it on a sweet potato if you don't want sweet potato. I mean,
Right.
like we make stuffed bakers at home all the time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I mean, you could do this on a regular baked potato. I mean, honestly, this would be good over rice. I mean, this is just a fun way to get in a lot of, obviously this is gonna be a gluten-free dish. It's not gonna be a vegan dish because we are using. So yeah, obviously it's not gonna be a vegan dish. We're using chicken in this one, but it's gonna be a gluten-free, dairy-free, and you can certainly alter this in any way. But I just think it's going to be really yummy with the sweet potatoes. It's going to be a complete meal. You're getting a lot of great nutrients, super healthy, and I think it's going to be pretty delicious.
it looks delicious. Okay, so we're gonna slide this way. So we're just gonna make a quick guacamole. Like,
Yeah.
real fast. Okay, so I've got some green chili sauce in here only because we had it from the last recipe and I thought it'd be fun to put in there. So about 2 tablespoons of minced red onion.
Yeah, and you could throw green chilies in if you want to just open up a small can of those or whatever. But anyway.
Just gonna do 1 avocado.
Okay. Are you going to want some salt and pepper in that?
I'm gonna want some salt and pepper
Absolutely.
and a little cumin.
I think you would put cumin in and on everything.
I do love it.
You love. I love it too, actually.
I do love it. Okay, you can go ahead and stir it.
Okay. Is that enough, sister?
Yes.
Okay. A little salt. We don't usually measure this kind of stuff, so just kind of do it to taste. There you go. Okay. You want me to mix it up with a fork for you?
Yeah, that's great. Well, then I'm just gonna add a couple squeezes of lime.
And I like my guacamole kind of chunky. I think you do too. I don't like it, too creamy, so nice and chunky. Yum. It's gonna be delicious.
Looks good.
Yes, it does. Okay.
Okay, so then we're just gonna sit, right?
Yeah.
This is it.
This is pretty simple.
Take the potato, I'm gonna slice it, smash it and open.
Perfect. Beautiful. Those
And
look
then we're
perfectly done.
We're gonna build, right?
Yeah. So I'll work on that. Let's see here. Okay, maybe a little that look?
Beautiful.
You think? Did I do good?
You did good.
Okay. I'm a good potato builder.
You are.
So the sweetness of the sweet potato, and then I'm so glad you did that away from the potato that I'm about to try. Thank you.
When you gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze.
That's true. It's coming. And you could add other things to this, but I think this is gonna have a really nice blend of flavors.
That looks beautiful,
Mhm.
doesn't it?
Yeah. Looks like dinner served.
It does.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
I think we should. Do we have forks?
Mm-hmm. We do. Just
Thank you, ma'am. All right. I love the skin of the potato. Do you?
I do too.
Because my mom used to eat it, the inside only of like a baked potato, but she didn't eat the skin. And I kind of did that for a long time just because that's what she did.
Really?
But the skin's where all the nutrients are. Mmm. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I love sweet potatoes. I just love them anyway. That is really delicious. Yeah. And how easy is that? Dinner is served. Mm-hmm.
That's good. You could use that for anything.
You could. Super simple. So easy recipe. We will put the recipe in the comments below.
Yep.
Give it a try. This is just a quick way. Again, this Mexican food is not expensive, so it's just a great way to feed your family. Healthy, delicious. Lots of ways to mix it up if there's an ingredient you don't like, but I love them all blended together.
It's
So.
very good. Very good.
So please subscribe, red button, 2 Hungry Neighbors. Tell people about our channel. We love subscribers. We love comments. When you try our recipes, we want to hear what you think. If you have any ideas, we love that too.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Have a good one. See ya.